Please welcome Anjay Anson and the beautiful Ashley Ortega!
Anjay and Ashley! Come on out, guys!
Good morning, guys!
Grabe, patangkaran pala tong umaga na to, Mars!
Mars, hindi ako nakapagpahinga ng extra height.
It's the first time that we've worked together. I'm excited.
First time din mag Mars.
Yeah, first time go.
Hi, Ashley! Ayan, hello.
Okay guys, trivia lang ha?
Yes.
It's the first TV guesting ever ni Anjay
po.
sa lahat ng mga shows.
Kaya marami na tayo nabibinyagan dito. And
Kaya
so
nga
far,
hindi natutroma.
hindi natotrauma.
Nag-i-enjoy naman sila dito.
Kinabahan niya si Anjay kanina backstage. Sabi niya kinakabahan. Sabi ko, Mars is like the chillest.
Yes!
Sobra.
Nakatulong naman siya.
Maliban sa mga chika, may mga kanya-kanyang baong paandar ang ating mga bisita. Simulan natin sa first-timer, syempre sa Mars pa More. Syempre, Anjay, ikaw yun.
Kaya mo yan, Anjay.
Bibinyagan ka namin dito.
Ang gagawin natin ngayon, makiki-workout tayo kay Pars Anjay dito sa
Push mo,
Mars!
Mars! Alright.
Okay, Pars?
Okay, Anjay.
Okay.
Go!
Okay, let's
Go,
start.
Anjay.
Ready for you, Pars?
Anjay, dapat maka-burn kami ng mga 300 calories.
Yung workout na to.
Okay.
Hardcore
Pars,
person.
Okay.
Okay,
Para
so,
ano, in preparation for when we eat later.
Yes.
Okay, what are we gonna do?
okay, so yung first workout natin is single arm half burpees. Itong
Single
workout
Wow,
na
Tayo atong bininyagan. Anjay, okay.
Okay, can you show us how it's done?
Okay, sure.
Okay.
First, you have to jump, and then just like a typical burpee,
one-
pero one hand lang siya.
Okay, and for the buntis,
Yes. What's your
Mag-two-hands ka na.
two hands na
Yeah,
tayo,
two
guys.
hands.
Huwag na tayo magpanggap, guys.
Huwag natin
Okay,
i-one hand
and
yan.
huwag na tayo mag-jump.
So,
Okay.
step.
So just yes. So when you get to the floor, step out na lang.
Pwede.
Yan!
How
Okay, go.
many?
Okay, let's
10?
start.
10 reps
So,
to.
10 reps to, 10 reps to, guys.
alternate ng
Alternate ng hand, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Sa kabila naman.
Yeah, kabila naman.
Kung pagpasmado, Delix, ha?
Ilan na ba to?
8, 8, 8, 8.
Okay.
Last two.
9.
Last one.
Ah!
Hey!
Okay.
Okay. 20 seconds
Hihila
rest.
talaga ng katawan yan, ha?
Oh, so what's next?
Next.
Okay.
Next naman is burpee jump lunge. So, ganito
Mahilig
siya.
ka sa burpees?
Puro burpee ba itong workout na to?
Yeah, para maka-burn tayo ng calories na mas
Totoo
mabilis.
naman
Oh,
kasi.
hindi ito, diba? Okay.
Okay, sige.
Okay, so first step is lunge. Yeah.
Lunge.
And then
Lunge.
normal burpee.
Oh no.
Uy! Ganda!
Okay.
Ganda ito. Okay.
Lunge.
Okay.
Tayo naman mga buntis, huwag na lang tayo
And
tumagal.
how many reps?
10 reps again, 10 reps.
Okay, go.
Game.
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
Lunge. Lunge. Burpee.
Ang sarap ng ginagawa niya, Tia.
Kamusta kayo dyan, guys?
Ilan pa?
Last 2.
10 for me.
Last one, let's go. Okay.
Nag-straight na yung buhok mo, Mars.
Oo nga, ano ba yan, Anjay? Kasalanan mo to, ha?
Medyo nakakapagod itong ginagawa natin.
Okay,
Tapos naman.
Magic talaga is
may
really
last one pa.
May last one pa.
challenging.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tsaka ang
Cardio,
taas
body
talaga ng
weight.
heart rate
Yes.
mo pag ginawa mo to.
Okay,
Hey.
may last one.
What's next?
Kick sits. So ganito yung
Oh!
so yung first position niya is you have to do this and then have to straighten your feet and then the other side.
Okay.
Okay.
And how many reps?
16 reps.
16?
16 reps.
Uy, actually, sarapan mo mamayang pagluto mo.
Yes.
Kailangan.
Doon tayo babawi. Okay, game.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, start. Yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 12, 13, 14, 50, 60.
Not
Okay.
bad! Wow! Not bad!
Okay.
Di lahat tayo naging tahimik.
Mars, hindi na tayo ni
Wala na
Anjay.
nagsasalita.
At dyan po nagtatapos ang Mars Mamor. Ngayong umaga, maraming salamat po sa muling. Hindi pa tapos. Simula po na to.
Itong si Anjay parang may ano sa atin eh.
May galit.
Yeah! Wow!
Thanks, Anjay. Thanks but no thanks. Yun yun eh.